Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix control center not working in any iPhone. So I will request to my all friends subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest and new tech video and the notification on your mobile. So support me for more new video. So do not waste any time. So fix this problem. So first solution is your iPhone. This problem will be fixed. The first solution, first restart your iPhone. Then volume up button and volume down button, and then press the power button and not increase your power button iPhone. Then you appears on screen Apple logo and your mobile will be restart and your problem will be fixed. If their first solution is not working on iPhone, the second solution, reset all setting. Then you open the setting and then click on general and then click on transfer or reset and then click on reset and then click on reset and iPhone given a passcode and then your problem will be fixed. Do not lose of any data in iPhone, only reset all setting option in iPhone. So their second solution is not working. Their third solution, install iOS updates. New updates install in your iPhone, then click on general and then click on software update and new iOS update you download and install on your iPhone. And then a third solution is not working on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, then reopen again the setting and then click on control center and then click on access within apps is turned off. I have already turned off and you already turn on, and your control center is 100% working on your iPhone. And then fix this issue. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe, share my YouTube channel.